Hey guys, Brett here with the Logical Game Center. Tonight I am playing some old school Nazi zombies on the map There Is, or however the fuck you pronounce that. Anyway, I'm gonna see how far I can survive using the double barrel and the 357 Magnum. Now it's going to be extremely hard. It already has been extremely hard for me to make it this far, because I'm playing solo. But yeah, it's extremely hard because they're both one-shot weapons. Now they're both devastating one-shot weapons, but not having a machine gun with multiple zombies running at you, I do not recommend this, but I am doing it just because. Now this is actually the highest I have made it with one-shot weapons. It's around 16, so hopefully my goal is to make it to round 20. Luckily I do have monkeys. Which I'll be using a lot.
Someone else, freak bag! Don't you puss bags get the idea yet?
Oh, by the way. Run, motherfucker, run! Yeah, like I was saying, this is round 16. This is the highest I've made it with just one-shot weapons. So far, so good. I'm feeling like I'm going to beat my goal tonight.
Raining lead on you, puss buckets!
Luckily, I have just enough money to upgrade.
That's what I'm talking about!
357 plus 1 kill you. That's what I've been expecting. Okay, now the entirety of this round, I'm going to try to just use the double barrel. But if there is a risky situation, I will be pulling out the 357.
Butcher shop is open for business. Anyone want some bad guts? Hey, need a cleanup on aisle 4.
Oh, fuck. Get out of here,
Don't fuck
motherfucker.
with a Marine.
Stick up behind me like that. What's wrong with you? You know where you are? You're in the jungle, baby. And you're going to die.
Don't mess with a Marine.
Alrighty, well that is how you fuck some shit up right there. 24 barrel long, baby. move things a lot quicker there. I should get quick revive just in case I do get downed. At least that way I have a respawn. Well, not necessarily a respawn, but it'll keep me from dying completely. You know what? Fuck it. I don't need that shit. Probably gonna regret saying that, but hey. When in Rome, right? Well, when in Germany, or whatever the fuck this is. Derise.
Oh yeah!
Do y'all want it to be announced? Alright.
Gun's getting hungry. Time to feed.
Ooh,
Gun's
yes.
getting hungry.
Just what I
Time
needed.
to feed.
Just what I needed.
Ah, shit. Here come the dogs.
I might as well buy this knife for a keepsake. Bring it back home to the children.
Much appreciated.
So it seems to be that the 357 is already a two-shot kill.
Hell yeah, that was sweet.
But it still does seem to do some penetration damage, which is nice. Penetration. Well, line them up and knock them down.
Someone needs to clean up those freak pits.
Well, it seems to me that maybe one-shot weapons are the way to go.
They're dropping like bad habits.
Well, this is where I go out, guys. At least now I made my goal. Alrighty, that has been some old school Nazi zombies with just one-shot weapons. I hope you all enjoy, and this will be a new series on my channel, so stay tuned for more videos.